G'day, Peter from Oz Commercial Sewing Machines, and today we're going to discuss this button here. Now this is the A to D pattern sewing button, okay, which allows you to do, I know a lot of the zigzag machines do this to make decorative stitches with all the different patterns that are available. This one, being a straight stitch machine, all it does is layers the stitches on top of each other. So that's the pattern sewing on a straight stitch machine. We'll push this button and go in and see what's in there. Now this particular button, I believe, is only available at the moment on the H6, the A4E and the A5E. There could be others coming out, but at the moment those are the only ones that have this button. So what we've got, this is the first screen. Now we'll go into, this is program, we'll go in here. This is what we're going to do. So what we're going to do is there's three different programs. The first program, we're going to do 3 stitches 3 times. The second pattern, we're going to do 3 stitches once. And then we'll go back here. Now the third one, okay, so that's the stitch length. Okay, so we've only got a 2-part program. So we can go back into there. Okay, so we can make it a 3 pattern program. We'll program that, and then we'll go into here and raise that. So the third program is going to be 3 stitches 5 times. That's what I said, I think. Go in and check that. So we got, first one is 3 stitches 3 times. Second one is 3 stitches once. Third one is 3 stitches 5 times. So we'll program that and we'll go in and make it work. Okay. So you'll notice that the stepper motors are controlling the reverse function on this, which is what is allowing it to do these reverse stitches. Here we go. And that's cut the thread. Now you can see, if we go in nice and close, that's done your 3 stitches 3 times. 3 stitches once, 3 stitches 5 times, 3 stitches 3 times, 3 stitches once, 3 stitches 5 times. So all it's doing is a progressive stitch pattern, layering the threads on top of each other just to give a decorative look. Or you could even do this if you need a really strong seam. You could program it to be 3x3 or 5x5 the whole time, and it'll just keep on doing that right the way through the programming, and it'll give you a really strong seam. Use a lot of thread though. Anyway, it's whatever you need to do, and it's functional. Thank you.